Link building. When a website has been linked in the content of other websites, it's like a positive review from the search engine's point of view. It's like vouching for your content enough to be willing to redirect some of their traffic to your website. Link building is still an important factor, and you just need to make sure that they make sense to the users of the website. This can be done by ensuring that your links are useful to the visitors of a website, organically placed, give the user relevant and high-quality content, contain good anchor text. Let's understand the difference between a good link and a bad one from the search engine's point of view. Here are the factors. Number 1. The web page's authority. You need to find websites that will link back to your content, but it's important that those websites be voices of authority. Number 2. Website's relevance. If you run a sports website, a link back from a voice of authority on sports means a lot more than a forum that has nothing to do with sports at all. So you also need to pick websites that are intimately related to your content, products, or services. Number 3. The link's position on the page. The location of the link is a really important part of linking. If it's in the sidebar or footer, it doesn't have as much value as something that's in the beginning or middle of the content. Number 4. Editorial placement. After location, you need to see if the words that the hyperlink is attached to make it an editorial link. If it is placed such that their visitors get interested in your content, then the link is editorially placed. Number 5. The link's anchor text. This is a new term for you in this book. Anchor text is the part of the link that is clickable. Anchor text in this case. Search engines, especially Google, take the anchor text of a link quite seriously and as a parameter to increase your website's ranking too. Search engines and links. Search engines essentially like to use two types of links to decide the ranking of a website. The first is the type of links that help discover new content, and the second is the kind of links that help the search engine rank a website. This decision is made after the web pages are crawled and the content on those pages is extracted to be indexed. When the search engine is satisfied because the linking meets the above-mentioned criteria and has the right set of keywords, it's ready to rank the page. As we now know, the decision is not just limited to the content of the page. It looks at the links from the external websites and judges the value of those links to decide the worth of your website. As you manage to get more links from high-value websites, your website's chances of being ranked higher on the search engine results page increase.
For more free educational content, visit learnforfree.biz. Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo.